What's the meaning of cotton mather? Cotton mather. Cotton mather.
Cotton mather. Cotton mather. Cotton Mather was a Puritan minister in colonial America who lived from 1663 to 1728. He is most notable for his involvement in the Salem witch trials, where he played a key role in the prosecution of those accused of witchcraft. However, Mather was also a prolific writer and scholar, publishing more than 450 works on a variety of topics. Despite his contributions to literature and science, his legacy is largely overshadowed by his controversial role in the witch trials.